If you don't plan on sticking around and enjoying our recently installed arts gallery, or you're having larger repairs performed on your Lexus, you may have a loaner vehicle reserved for you at the time of your arrival. To take advantage of this amenity, Lexus of Madison requires two things: a valid driver's license and an up-to-date insurance card. For your safety, we do not keep these on file. We then draw up an agreement for the valid driver. Then we hand off the keys for your complimentary Lexus loaner vehicle. Lexus loaners are a privilege, so we ask only two things. One, there is absolutely no smoking in any of our Lexus loaner vehicles. Two, as much as you may appreciate your cuddly co-pilot, there are absolutely no pets allowed in any of our Lexus loaner vehicles. You will leave knowing for a fact that your Lexus is in well-equipped hands. If any incident occurs during your possession of one of our loaner vehicles, information regarding what to do in an accident, insurance, and registration for the vehicle are found in the glove box. We also ask before returning the loaner vehicle to top it off with fuel. Once you are given the word that the services or repairs performed on your Lexus have been completed, simply return your vehicle exactly how you arrived at our dealership, pulling up to the automatic doors and waiting for them to fully open before coming inside, making sure to pull all the way forward. All the way forward. So for any lengthy repairs or services, make sure to reserve your loaner vehicle ahead of time to ensure that you can experience amazing.